Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful bombshell blowout at home to save money on cost at the salon and time for any special event that you might have, whether it's a girls' night or a birthday party, a wedding, whatever event you have, and you don't always have the time or money to make a trip to the salon. I'm going to show you a step-by-step way how to create this bouncy, smooth, voluminous blowout that will last you for days until you wash your hair. For any texture, any length, just follow this tutorial. So today I wanted to take you step by step and show you guys a quick, foolproof way of giving you a bombshell blowout to save you time and money at the salon. So that way when you have an event or a girls' night or any type of special occasion that you have going on, you can do your own hair without having to go to the salon and spend time and money. So I'm going to show you how to give yourself that bombshell blowout that we've seen all over the internet. So here we go. All right, so first we always want to use a heat protectant. So I like to use a Repair Heat Protective Mist. So I'll just spray this mid-shaft to ends. And I let my hair air dry a little bit, and I did a little rough dry. So I would say it's about 80% dry. You always want to blow dry your hair when it's 70 to 80% dry so that it's easier, you can smooth it out faster, and it's less damage on your hair. And then I always like to use a heat protectant. So this is a volumizing thickening mist. So I like to use this at my root to make sure it gives you that longevity of blow dry so that it lasts for a couple days until you wash your hair. All right, so now we start off with the blow dry. Okay, so I, of course, love my Dyson. So you could use any type of blow dryer as long as it has heat settings on there and a round brush. So I'm gonna use two different sizes here. I'm gonna use, this is called 390 Technique brush. It's a thermal ceramic brush, and the 370 Technique brush, which is a little smaller. So this is going to give you a tighter curl, and then this is going to give you more volume and a looser curl. And then to set that in to give you that nice bouncy blowout, I'm going to set it using rollers, the old school Velcro rollers with a pin. You can get these anywhere this is the Dom Dom brand, but you can get like the Sally's version. They're all great. So as long as they're Velcro rollers and they're heatless. So these are not going to cause any damage on your hair. So here we go. So first I'm going to start off with a section, and I always start off with a mohawk section here at the top to kind of set it. So we are just going to start off here, and I want a looser type of curl and bounce on my hair and a lot of volume at top. So I'm going to start off with this brush, and again, mohawk section. So this is going to go over direct, going this way, and then turn on my blow dryer, and then you just roll it